If it's your syndicate, just put up one card. We've got a syndicate here already. We've got 2, and I see 3 and 4 anywhere at all. I've got 3. Hold them up, keep them up. 4 I've got. At 5, 6, 7. Goodness me, 8. 8 I've got. Is anyone else? I've got 8. At 8, and I'll just count here. Put them up, keep them up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, I need 9 and 10. Let's go. 9. We've got 9. I need one more. One more for 10. One more. Who is it? Who's going to do it? I've got 9. I need 10. I've got 10, thank you, we're number 50. We are halfway there. Steph, how do you feel? I hope you feel as good as I do, because that is fantastic. So for those 10 people, have we got all the numbers down yet? We have. Fantastic, Charles. He's a great scribe, so we know who you are. That's important. And of course, that is a great start. So then running down the sheet. Oh, let's go. I've got 10 more opportunities for those who'd like to go to the bathroom. Oh, I've got 1, I've got 2, and where we are, 3 I've got. At 3 I have, at 3, 4, 5, 6. At 6 bathrooms I've got 7 anywhere at all. Now, hang on, was that up before? No? 7. That's 7 a bed. Now, let's put them up again because we've got them going up. All up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At 7 I've got another 3 if you like. Keep them up, keep the 7 up. At 4, that's right, I've got it now 8. At 8, 2 more if you like. At 8 I have 8 bathrooms, 2 to go. 9 I've got 1 more bathroom to go. At 1 more bathroom, okay, I've got it here at 10. 10 bathrooms, sold. Woo! Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Now we'll take it down a notch. You can have your hand up for $500. Now that'll put a lot more people in the money, I'm sure, if we haven't drained the swamp already. Bob wants an ensuite. Steph, do we have ensuite, Steph? Yes, 1. Bob, it's yours. Oh, my goodness me, this is going to be fantastic. Well, I'd be happy to go to Nepal with Bob and Heather. Lisa and I have a great time. We could perhaps share their bathroom. Double the price. Okay, so let's get back to now renovating and equipping the kitchen. Now, the kitchen is important because if you remember, we've got the cooking school. So now we need the kitchen to do some cooking. And we've got 10 lots for the kitchen at $500 each. What do I say? Do I see 10 hands go up very quickly? I've got 1, I've got 2. That's just 1. You got excited. 1 on bed, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 I've got, 6, 4 more to go. 6 I've got. Any more? Someone's turned it around, have they? That's right. 7 a bed. 3 to go if you like. 8 I've got now. Can we clear out the kitchen? Another 2 if you like. 8 I've got. Another 2 anywhere. Now these are new ones, aren't they? Okay, we're going to do it again. All the hands up. 1, 2. All the hands up who've got a card up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 I've still got 8. 2 more to go if you like. At 8. 9 to 10 if you like. At 8, I'll sell it out at 8. That's a terrific response. 9 now. At 9 I've got even money for 10 if you like. 10 I've got. We've done it. Thank you. Fantastic. Oh, Steph, can you believe this? No wonder you only charged $55 a head here to get tonight, and that was a terrific deal, and we know the Windsor have been very generous, haven't they? Yes, they even want Rotary back, I know that. Okay, we've got $500 lots, 10 lots to renovate the reception and the lounge. And we saw the lovely model in the lounge with the telephone. I'm not sure it was working, but it will be when you get the reception desk. And certainly that gives you another opportunity. We're in $500 bids and we're looking for 10 lots. Have I drained the swamp completely? Is there some hands still in the air? We're now in the lounge. I've got 1 to start me. Thank you very much, Jacob. 1 on bed, 1 on bed, it's 1 on bed. Any more? Hands in the air. I'm in your hands. Don't be shy. That's a terrific start. What a start tonight to have anything like that. Jacob, looks like you're your name will have to go on the reception in total. One down the back? Oh, I've got two. Thank you. Two into the reception area at $500 a bid, so I've got two gone. At two on bid. At three. Oh, is that for real? Yeah, okay, I've got three. I've got three gone now. Anyone else, put your hand up. Want to be in it? That's fine. Three. We'll sell it out at three. Thank you for those three bidders. You got them? For $250, you can be part of the electrical supply, the fittings and the electrical work. And electricity is something special in Nepal as well. Certainly we know we've got the candle power from the original manufacturing, but electricity is even better, and it's got to be up to code and it's got to be good. And certainly when Bob goes to the bathroom, he doesn't want to get electrocuted, so it's got to be up to scratch. And we have 20 lots at $250 each. Can I see anyone who'd like to be involved? I've got it there over the corner. 1, 2, 3. Well, I've already taken 3 up here, so now we have a demarcation. That can be the adjudicator. What would you like me to do? Take 7. All right, they're all gone. We've got the 3, we've got the 7, they're all sold. Thank you very much indeed. Oh my goodness. That is fantastic. So we've got all lots done for the electrical work. You're right there with the clerking sheets. I've given you a tough job, haven't I? So we've got the balance of the 7 from this table. Absolutely fantastic. I think that includes me too. Okay, well then we're heading home with the painting and the paint. So you don't have to carry any 10-litre tins over, it'll all be procured locally.